Here's just a really quick case study on what a default reply can look like. Again, this is just a little bit more advanced, but I just want to show you what a case study can look like. So for example, this is, remember the default reply is if at any time that someone asks a question or says something the logic doesn't pick up, this automatic reply will pop up. All right, so here's what we have. So we got your message and Brian or Chris will be responding back shortly. In the meantime, check out our main menu below. Again, we always want to condition people to send people to the main menu below, or select one of the other options below to explore while you wait. Now, what we're promoting right now is food versus medication. And what that is it takes people over to a landing page that talks about how you can replace some types of medication with food. You can always consult your doctor first, but here are some of the benefits. So, just a couple of things it's basically a sales page, okay? So we know that not a lot of people click there. It says 10% right there, which really isn't too bad this year. 45 total clicks, so that's not too bad. Again, it resets every time we set this up, right? So what we also decided to do is, okay, what do we want to do for 3 menus? So we want to basically say, hey, while you're waiting, we don't want to say while you're waiting. We want to say, hey, we'll be back shortly. In the meantime, check out main menu, sales page, again, change anytime because lots of people will come here. Or what else do we want people to go through? Well, the only thing we kind of thought through at the time was, what about best of Facebook Lives? So what we ended up doing is taking a couple of Facebook Lives and just putting them in the main menu. So we're just telling people, oh, hey, if you want to see Facebook Lives, just check out the main menu. It's just a little bit more personalized message. That's it. Or main menu. So we click on the main menu. People are like, okay, where's the main menu? Because some people just don't know. So for example, for this client, we set up is, oh, hey, if you're looking for the main menu, the experience is a little different depending if you're using a mobile phone, desktop, laptop, or a tablet user. Select what device that you're using. See, we just use those little quick reply buttons that I talked to, and this is in some of the later advanced trainings. But basically, someone can click and they can say, okay, they're on, look, mobile phone user, 81% of them. So they click. Great. Here's how you click through. So there's a little image that shows you exactly where the main menu is. See? Got it? Remember, I've given you an example. Actually, I've given an example just like this in one of the other later videos. But default reply. Yep, great. Looks like you're viewing us on a mobile phone. We have tons of free information. Got it? Yep. So they click through to got it. All right, let's start exploring. So now it feels like people have clicked through to the menu. They've had their own experience. So there's the main menu, right? We just show them where the main menu is. Or something that I've mentioned before in later trainings is free trial. See, free trial hooks up over to another message. Hey, John, interesting question for you. There's the free trial link. As I mentioned before, here's a video right here. Right here is just an image. You can see that 79% click-through rate that I was talking about before. So this is a great default reply message because it gives people many different options. Again, this is a little bit more for the advanced training as you go along, but I wanted to show you what the options are for the default reply. And remember, this is one of the parts that I always like to change for whatever we're promoting. So I love changing these up if it comes week to week, whatever we're doing, or if we're testing out new funnels, I always test them out right down here as well too. Let's go on to the next one. Let's go to the next case study.